Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a cell night gray metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Come around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a dark brown linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC 300 has 49,673 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.